Namibia is nothing like the usual safaris people talk about. No crowds, no rush, just huge landscapes and rare animals. If you want a place that feels untouched and different, this is it. If you want lions, elephants, and the classic Big Five, you can go to South Africa. But if you want to see things you won't find anywhere else, like lions hunting seals or animals adapted to the desert, Namibia is the place. But before we go ahead, let's see some fun fact about Namibia. Desert elephants. Namibia has desert elephants. Real elephants that learn to survive with almost no water, walking up to 50 kilometers in a single night. The two-leaf plant. In the Namib Desert, there's a plant called welwitschia that grows only 2 leaves, yet can live 1,000 to 2,000 years. The desert where the stars make shadows. Namibia has one of the darkest night skies on Earth. In some desert areas, you can see the Milky Way so clearly that it actually casts a faint shadow on the sand. Desert horses. Namibia has wild horses living in the desert. No one knows their exact origin, but they've survived for generations with almost no water, making them some of the toughest horses on the planet. Now that you know how wild and unusual Namibia really is, let's get into what your trip will actually look like. The road trip. Namibia is made for road trips. It's one of the safest and most stable countries in Africa for driving yourself. Most travelers rent a 4x4 with a rooftop tent, which covers both travel and sleeping. Safety. Yes, it's safe for solo travelers. People are friendly, and the country ranks high on safety compared to many others in Africa. Just avoid driving at night and be comfortable with changing a tire because the gravel roads can be rough. Sossusvlei. Your first stop should be Sossusvlei. The giant red dunes look like something from another planet. Climb Dune 45 early in the morning to catch the sunrise. Then visit Deadvlei, the white clay pan with the old black trees. It's one of the most photographed places in Africa. Go early because the heat picks up fast. Wildlife. Namibia's wildlife is special. You'll see animals that live in harsh desert conditions, like the desert-adapted elephants and oryx. Visit Etosha National Park for an affordable safari. You can drive yourself from one waterhole to another and spot black rhinos, giraffes, and more. Skeleton Coast and Swakopmund. Head to Swakopmund, a small coastal city with German-style buildings right next to the ocean. From there, visit Cape Cross to see thousands of seals. It's a crazy sight and very loud, but worth it. Activities. Namibia has lots of fun activities. You can go quad biking, take a boat trip, or if you want to splurge a bit, take a hot air balloon ride over the dunes. It's expensive, but unforgettable. If you want a safari that feels calm, safe even for solo travelers, and packed with unusual landscapes, Namibia is a great pick. It's gorgeous and still way less crowded than most African spots. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.